Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your data transfer with FileZilla easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download and install FileZilla from the official website. Open FileZilla on your computer. In the top menu, click on Edit, then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to Connection and then click on FTP. From the FTP option, next, click on OK to save these settings. Now, return to the main window of FileZilla. In the top left, enter the host name of the server you want to connect to. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. For port, use 21 if you are connecting via FTP. Click on Quick Connect to establish the connection. Once connected, you will see your local files on the left and server files on the right. Navigate to the folder on your local machine containing the files you wish to transfer. Select the files you want to upload. Drag and drop the selected files from the left window to the right window. Monitor the transfer progress at the bottom of the FileZilla interface. Once the transfer is complete, verify that your files appear in the remote server directory. If you want to download files, simply reverse the process. Select the desired files on the right, then drag and drop them into a local folder on the left. Congratulations, you have successfully secured your data transfer with FileZilla. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.